Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You've got the neckband charged and your phone ready. Now get it into pairing mode. Hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This tells you the headset is discoverable. Once done, open Bluetooth on your device and scan. You'll usually see a Skullcandy name or the model number. Make sure Bluetooth is active and other nearby headsets are off so pairing isn't confused. This is the critical first handshake that lets the devices talk securely. You're in the middle of pairing now. Tap the Skullcandy entry on your device and accept any pairing confirmation. If a PIN appears, try 0000 or 1234. Many models use those defaults. Once the connection completes, the LED will typically change from flashing to steady. That visual cue confirms the link. Play a short audio clip to verify left and right drivers and microphone presence. If you need multi-point or app features, enable them after this stable connection so settings apply correctly. You're finishing up. Set the neckband as your audio output, check mic levels with a quick call, and adjust volume on both devices so nothing clips. Make sure the Skullcandy app or firmware is up to date. Updates often fix dropouts or compatibility issues. If anything goes wrong, try the one-key troubleshooting tip. Perform the manufacturer reset, hold power with volume buttons or follow the model guide, then re-enter pairing mode and connect again. This clears cached pairings and usually resolves persistent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.